Hello, lovies! Let's have a quick tour around Serendipities Argao, located in Bulasa, Argao, Cebu. So this is their dining area, and that is their kitchen. Then beside that is the reception area. If you can see, very spacious ang ilahang ground floor, guys, no? And the next is, this is room A. This is 3,700 for 4 packs, and it has two queen beds. Nice kayo naapod sila hot and cold shower ani and then complimentary breakfast good for four. Additional set of foam up to 4 packs is 450 each with free breakfast na pod. And this is the shared balcony of room A and room B. Nice kayo og view, guys. Very Instagrammable and grabe ka presko ang hangin na inyong mahanggab diring dapita. Pwede ra jud mo mag-open sa doors and windows para makasud ang preskong hangin. Then this is the view from the balcony. Makita ninyo ang parking area, ang garden which is also a tent area for outdoor activities. And mauni ang ilahang beach area, guys, na ay mga mangrove, so really environmental friendly. And this is the room B, 2,500 for 2 packs with one queen bed with shared balcony with room A, free breakfast, hot and cold shower, and naay complimentary breakfast good for 2. Additional free set of foam up to 4 packs is 450 each with free breakfast na pod. Then outside room A and B, this is their living room. Then proceed na dayon ta sa room C, guys. Mao ni ang CR sa room C. And for room C, the room costs 5,700 for 12 packs and the max capacity is 20 packs. Na ay 3 queen beds and 2 king beds, two-door side-by-side ref, and complimentary breakfast good for 12. Additional free set of foam up to 8 packs for 450 pesos per person with free breakfast na puna, guys. Grabe kayo kadako sa lugar, daghan jud kayo mog maigo diri. Maximum of 20 kabuok tao. Nindot kayo kay naa na siya living area pod apil and ideal gyud ni siya for barkadas, families na dako gani para magtipon-tipon gyud mo sud sa isa ka room. Next is room D, 2,000 pesos for 2 packs, na usa ka queen bed, complimentary breakfast good for 2, additional free set of foam up to 2 packs for 450 pesos each with free breakfast na pod. Then finally, ilang room E, which is 3,500 for 8 packs. Na 3 queen beds, 1 king bed, and then complimentary breakfast good for 8 packs. Then proceed ta sa ilang indoor function hall which has 150 packs capacity. Rate is 30,000 for 100 packs and then 300 pesos per head sa excess. Naa na siya free couple room of course for 2 packs. Dayon ang beachfront venue can accommodate 300 packs. Rate is 18,000 for 100 packs, then 175 pesos per head sa excess. Children 3 years old and below are free. No corkage on food except beer and liquor. Beer mobayad mo og 50 pesos per bottle, liquor kay 100 pesos per bottle, then water na a one-time charge for catering 3,000 pesos. For electricity, bayad mo og 500 pesos minimum for sound system. Naanay kitchen ang ilahang function hall and if you can see dako jud kayo ang space niya, guys, so whatever the event is, whatever the occasion is, nindot gyud kayo ang ilahang indoor, of course safe siya from rain, and nindot pa gyud kayo ang inyuhang ambience, very instagrammable ang place. So if you have any inquiries, please feel free to message or reach out to Serendipities Argao. So mauni ang mga events na ni-take place sa Serendipities Argao, showing you photos in the video right now. Daghan gyud kayo ang capacity sa lugar. So sulit ra gyud kayo inyong bayad. Well kept pod ang ilahang Bermuda or ilang garden area, guys. This is really good for tents. So if you can see sa pictures, daghan kayo ang tents na ma-accommodate. And if you have any further questions, please do feel free to reach out to Serendipities Argao for further details. And of course, available pod ilang kayak which is 200 pesos per hour. Pwede po mo rent sa ilahang stand-up paddle which is 150 pesos per hour na ara siya sa ilahang resto bar gibutang. And the resto bar is open whenever guests are booked in the resort. So thank you so much once again Serendipities Argao for sponsoring the venue of Argao Vloggers Meetup.